First, get the clip that you want to add glow to, copy it, make it an overlay and put it over the video. Press on the overlay you just made, go to filters, then go to, what's it called, adjust, saturation, make it 50 and make the other one 15 or 16. Then go to video effects, get the effect called edge glow, make sure you go to layers and press on object to make sure it's on the second thing, which is normally the overlay. Then press on the little wheel called chroma key, find like the color that you don't want to make glowy and go onto that so it makes the other color glowy. Sounds kind of confusing, but that's how it works. The intensity can vary, but most of the time it should be around like 50, and then you have to make the shadow 100. Now if you want to make the flicker effect, you have to go to filters on the overlay, then go splice it, then you make a ton of keyframes, skip one, make it 70, skip one, make it 70, and then yeah, you keep doing that till you get to the end. Here are the results, and now I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison so you can see the difference.